So I wanted to say that I'm really grateful for the support and the subscribers because I just uploaded a video of revealing this puppet, my new main dragon, because I remade my old one. So yeah, it was small for my hand and it was ugly. And in the morning I had 720 subscribers, and now I have 737. I gained 70 subscribers from the morning to now. Like, that's crazy, but I'm so grateful for it because I don't know what got me so popular all of a sudden, but no, this is wholesome. Just thank you a lot for the support and everything. I'm grateful. I love you guys. See you. Yeah. Bye bye.